Hi guys. Today I'm getting ready because I'm going to Hughes and Palette Studio in Raman Street, on the ground floor of Queensland Manor condominium because I'll have my hair fixed because it's been a year since I went to a salon for a rebond. So today, come with me to Hughes and Palette.
So we've arrived at the Use and Palette Queensland Manor branch. Let's go! So here, he's blow drying my hair and I'm kind of excited. Yes guys, na-excite na ko if unsay barog na ko ighuman. Wa pa nga ni kasugod. So this part, I didn't want to take videos of myself kaya ako ang agtang grabe jud ka up front pero basin di mo muto nagapanindot kog buhok. So I took videos of myself na lang. Actually, if you avail their service na for upscale, they'll bring you sa salon beside human, like tupad ra jud. So, several hours na since gibugno ni kuya ako ang hair, so I'm hungry. But worry no more, kaya we won't starve here. Yes, di ko rawon bayot because the service that I availed has complimentary drink and food from human. I was not able to take a photo or footage of the menu shown to us kay kanilaging bag-o ra ta ga video bayot malisang taog na itawo nganom na. So around 11 a.m. they served me my food. I ordered lasagna and iced Spanish latte. Actually, they have a variety man that you can choose from, but sa drinks manggod mo ni akong nailhan. Nya sa food, lasagna, carbonara, and clubhouse sandwich ra pud akong nailhan sa alang menu. Pangdato man to, so wala ako nakaila. So here I am eating na. Uy, straight na kog buhok diri na part. If you're gonna ask me if how the food and drink tasted, for me lang ha, I really don't eat mga inani kay Pinoy ra jud kog taste buds. Maihalas jud kog mga di Pinoy, but I love the lasagna. Second lasagna ni nako na natilawan na wa ko gibidli. The meat was very abundant jud, like grabe. The sauce is so savory, like the smell itself kay mabusog na ka, then with garlic bread pa on the side. Like the lasagna kay wa jud gitipid. Ay dapat lang jud budi ko tipiron sa akong me time ug rewards sa akong self. Iced Spanish latte, actually, kay they have several drinks you can choose from. Ang problem jud kay wa ko kaila, basin masayang ra og di ko ganahan, so playing safe ta during the pita, Spanish latte ra ko kay ay nakalasa na ko ana before, and the lasa is mauguro jud ni ang lasa sa kape na pandato. Champion naman gud para sa ako ang 3-in-1. And then I'm telling you, Jud guys, the serving is so daghan. I was not able to eat it sa first round. By the way, this is how their salon looks like. It's a smaller space kaya I think fewer sa jud ang mo-avail og medyo expensive na service. But overall, you can relax, you can sleep nga ni kay there's some music playing on the background. And don't tell me na ako rin makatulugon sige hikapo ng ulo. Unless hingutan ko guys, kaya I'm gonna be screaming mansad. I was thinking of magpa-color sa hair, but yeah, I think that's something bold for me to do and I'm not ready, so I did not. Actually, if you're working from home, you can do it here while gibugno-bugno kuya imuhang buhok. And since I told you na I was not able to eat all of the lasagna they served me, nag-round to ko bayot. Next part bayot, grabe na jud ko katugnaw ani, like people close to me know that I hate aircon jud, so mao ni siya bayot more na kong padong mahaman sa akong pamati niya, mao na to gikapoy na ko video kami magapit na ko moingon ako ya muuli na ko balagwa na man akong bukay tugnaw na jud kaayo nya za murag lami man kaay sa pamati ka dira bayot. So that's Use and Palette guys. Unya, diri ko nila gi-cater for my service kana siya. Then that's Human. Ambot cafe ba na siya? Mauguro na. The parking space is so wide jud, grabe. Napili ka magtumbling-tumbling if you want.
Hi guys, this is my hair now. It's like hello kabayo. Hi guys, this is my hair now. And yeah, it's
What do you think guys? Naangayan ra ko sa akong new hair or new look or mura kog nahimong tala? I don't know.